There's no better way to inspire and educate designers and clients alike than to create a sense of intrigue by providing a box inside a box inside a box. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. Being able to paint the sky blue is fantastic. It's given birth to everything from the smartphone to your favorite piece of artwork. But as every designer knows, it's also very easy for your clients to get lost in this blue sky thinking of, we could do it this way or maybe that way, or how about this way? To help bring their own clients back on earth, so to speak, print and marketing service provider Pureprint Group created this very sensible packaging sales kit that is full of surprises. 3 surprises to be precise. As a company that produces everything from luxury packaging for retail products to high-end presentations for keepsake books, Pureprint wanted something that could easily give potential customers a sneak peek of what they could craft for them, while also reaffirming the impact that great packaging can have on any recipient. With that in mind, they created this sharp-looking rigid box comprised of boards wrapped in Colorplan Cobalt paper and the Pureprint name smartly hot foil stamped in silver on the lid. Take a closer look and you'll notice that both sides of the lid feature wide triangular die-cut notches, which give your fingers ample room to lift it off. And of course, that extra space also allows the lower box, covered in a complementary Colorplan Tabriz Blue, to peek out in a tantalizing way. Nice touch. Now then, what do you think is inside? Well, there's only one way to find out. Lifting the lid reveals box number 2. Yep, we're in Russian doll territory now. This slightly smaller box wrapped in Colorplan Smoke also features the Pureprint logo, this time in orange foil. Lifting it out, made easier by the triangular die cuts that mirror the ones on the lid of the top outer box, it's clear that this package opens in a different way from the first. Tugging the orange loophole disengages a magnetic closure, allowing the lid to swing open, showing off an even smaller box inside. Box number 3 is easily removed with the help of an orange ribbon that pokes out from beneath it in its matching orange tray. Simply pull the ribbon and up it rises. Let me also point out the very thoughtful use of interior paper colors that complement those of the outside of the box perfectly. As it turns out, box number 3 is yet another type of packaging option, this time a slipcase. Wrapped in Colorplan ebony with the logo in black foil, it too boosts the now familiar triangular die-cut notches, allowing for the package inside to slide out with ease. The final box, box number 4, for those of you following along at home, is wrapped in Colorplan Harvest. And it comes with somewhat of a surprise in that it doesn't just feature one lid, but 2. With the Pureprint name in green foil running across both, held closed by magnetic closures. These open out like gatefold panels with the help of 2 green pull loops. The super smart final touch: as you pull them open, a clever bit of paper engineering inside raises a gift card holder up to meet the recipient. Very dramatic. On their own, these boxes show off some versatile packaging options, but together, one so neatly tucked inside the next, they cannot help but inspire not only clients, but designers alike. While this project uses hot foil stamping throughout, there are several other foiling options available to you today. Get an overview of the more traditional as well as digital options. We're downloading our foil cheat sheet right now. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel, and of course it would be amazing if you share with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.